Hi kids, in the last class we discussed that the plane was veering and shuddering in the sky. It was losing its height very rapidly and moves towards the earth. The man fell out from the flaming plane and with the help of the parachute he came down gently to the ground. A small boy, 10 or 12 years old, he was watching the plane for some time. As soon as the pilot was landed to the ground, the boy was emerged from the clump of trees and reached the wounded pilot. The boy asked the wounded pilot, "Come with me, sir. I will take you to the army camp. I think you will be safe there." The pilot, he tries to walk 2 or 3 steps, but he collapsed to the ground and his legs were fractured. The pilot gave to the boy a packet of papers and said that this must reach Air Force Station Ambala on time. Now the boy moves towards the Air Force Station Ambala. What happened next? You can see in this video. Don't worry about me. I can escape. I will try and distract them. Here distract means divert one's attention from something. The honking of vehicles distracted me every now and then. The pilot says to the boy, "Don't worry about me. I will escape from the enemy and I will try change the enemy's attention, change to the somewhere else and I will escape from the enemy." The pilot said to the boy, "You run and hand over the packet. But you child, you run and hand over this packet to the Air Force Station Ambala." "Yes, sir," said the boy with a smart salute. The pilot said to the boy, "This must reach to be Air Force Station Ambala as quickly as possible and give them a packet." A boy with attention position, he tells to the pilot by saluting him. The man could not help smiling, although he was grimacing with the pain of his injuries. Grimacing means typically expressing with pain. The patient was grimacing out of extreme pain. Here, seeing this, he had very happy. But on the other hand, he was lot of pain because of his injuries. He began to crawl away from the boy in the opposite direction, but still he moves away from the boy. Both the man and the boy, they went in the opposite direction. The small figure streaked across the open space back to the trees from which he had emerged. Streaked means move very fast in a specified direction. The cat streaked across the street. Here small figure is none other than the little boy. He moves across the open space and went backwards from behind the trees. The enemy, however, had seen him, but the enemies had seen the little boy. A few of them gave a chase and shot at him, but the enemies, they chased the boy and shot at him. The cottagers fell everywhere around him. The bullet cottagers, they fell all around the boy. The child ran fast and was lost to sight. The child, he ran very fast and was out of sight. The enemy gave up and turned their attention to the crawling figure of the pilot. When the boy was disappeared from the enemies, now their attention went towards the crawling figure, that is pilot. A few minutes later, the little boy stood at the sentry post of the army unit. Sentry post, it's a temporary place. Inside we can see the weapons and soldiers and some officers. Here after some time, the little boy, he stood in front of the sentry post of the army unit. Take me to the Commander Sahib. There is something I have to deliver to him. You can see how bold the boy was. The boy told to the man, you take me to the Commander Sahib because I want to tell something to him. Little boy, you cannot go to the Commander Sahib. One of the men said, you don't meet now the Commander Sahib. No one is allowed to go to his room unless it is very important. And he said, your message is very important. Unless it's very important, you don't allow to meet the Commander Sahib. What I have is very important. It is from the pilot whose plane was shot down. Here the boy said to the man, what I have in my hand is very important. This message is from the plane. The plane was just crashed down. You mean the plane that just crashed? A rescue party has gone to look for him. Here already they sent a rescue party to take care of the wounded pilot and asked the boy, you are talking about the plane that just crashed. Yes, I had gone there to bring him back to safety. The boy said, yes, I am talking about the crashed plane. Now, but I went to bring back the man the safer place. The enemy was after him, but the enemy was chased after me. He was injured and couldn't walk. He gave me a packet. Here the pilot, he was wounded severely and his legs were fractured. That's the reason he gave me a packet. I must guide the CO to the officer and show him where the enemy lines are. And boy said to the man, I want to give some instructions to the commander officer and also some of the other officers, and I want to show where the enemy lines are. The sentry spoke into the field telephone. Here the sentry, he speaks to the field telephone. A sepoy came to the sentry post and took the boy to the Commander Sahib. Immediately one of the sepoy came and he took the boy to the Commander Sahib. Who are you and why did you want to see me? The commanding officer asked. Here seeing the boy, commander officer asked the boy, who are you and why did you want to see me? My name is Makbul Bhatt. My father was awarded a medal for bravery. Bravery means courage. He received an award for bravery from the police service. Here the boy name was Makbul Bhatt and his father awarded a medal for bravery. He died fighting for the nation. His father died in the war while fighting for the nation. My mother and I live here now. Now I live with my mother. I was watching the plane when I heard an anti-aircraft gunfire and saw the plane become unsteady. When I was watching the plane, I heard an anti-aircraft gunfire. Afterwards, the plane was veering and shuddering in the sky. Afterwards, the plane became unsteady. I saw him fall to the ground. I saw the man falling to the ground. I knew I must save him. The enemy was just a little distance away. I knew I want to save the man, but enemy was behind me. I ran to bring him back by a shortcut. When I reached him, I found that he could not walk. Here, I ran to bring the wounded pilot back. I ran to bring back wounded pilot by shortcut, but the man was wounded. He was wounded severely, and his legs were fractured. He couldn't walk. He was bleeding profusely. Profusely means in large amount. Children were bleeding profusely while they were playing. He told me not to worry about him, but to try and get this packet to you and tell you that it must reach Ambala tonight. It is very important. Here, the wounded pilot said to the boy, "Don't worry about me. I will escape from the enemy, but you boy, you take this bundle of the packet of papers and this must reach Air Force Station Ambala tonight. These papers are very important and confidential." "Son, weren't you afraid of the enemy? My father told me never to be afraid of the enemy. They can't do anything if our number is not written on the bullet. If our fate is written on the bullet, we shall die. If our fate is not written on the bullet, we shall not die. This is what my father taught me. We should never afraid of the enemy." "Good, you are indeed the brave son of a brave soldier." The officer said, "You are good boy. You are brave son of a brave soldier." "Has the enemy been able to catch the pilot?" Here the officer asked to the boy, "Has the enemy been able to catch the pilot?" "I don't know, sir. I couldn't wait to see. I had to carry out my orders first." The boy said, "I don't know, sir. I don't wait there because I want to do my orders first. I know where he fell. I also know where the enemy lines are. But I know where he fell, and I also know that where the enemy lines are. I can guide you to it by a shortcut so that you can intercept them and cut off their retreat." Intercept means stop or cut off. The police intercepted the robber who was on the scene and arrested him. Here the boy, he gives some instructions or guidance to the officer, and he wants to show a shortcut to the officers, and you have to stop the enemy. "We must go at once. Sir, the enemy came on foot." And he also said, we had to go by shortcut. But the enemy had come on foot. Here, enemy had come on foot means they came by, they didn't bring any vehicles. "If you take jeeps, you will be able to surround them and catch them. If we can take a vehicle or jeep, you can easily catch the enemies and also you can surround them and we can save the wounded pilot. What happened next, we can see in the next part. Thank you, children.